Hello everyone, welcome back. So now we're going to integrate the ship, and this is the part that we did together. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply combine this over, and I'm not going to worry too much about this mask. We can do a quick roto by hand and fix this, but in the render we should be getting a proper mask for the ships. I think I have them. So mask 1. Yeah, I don't have a mask, but we should create a mask for this by itself, and maybe even a separate pass for all of it. So that will fix this issue, or we can do a quick roto and fix it. And I can also use maybe like a depth mask and create a ramp where, yeah, maybe we can do that. Let's see. Let's see. This is the ship pass. Let's take a look at the P pass and create a grade node. I'm going to shuffle the depth, which is the Z axis. Let's look at the RGB. Let's shuffle the P pass. Let's remove this, move it here. So the close-up, the closest part, why is it not picking? So minus 22, and then this is 6,000. So let's see, let's put 100 and then 60,000. Let's look at the shuffle node with just the green, the Z, and you can see it's separating, it's working. Let's try 1,000 and we get this mask now. You see the ship is white, and then this is everything else, and we can use this mask and just isolate, use an in node, or I don't know why it used to be an in node. I'm gonna use a merge node and set it to in, and let's make sure, let's tweak this. Maybe we can move it to 5,000. Yep, you see the curve is, the edge is getting closer, and let's increase this to 1,000. Maybe 4,000. 1,200. It's not ideal, but I think you guys got the idea. Just a ramp based on depth. Let's try 2,000. I think is gonna work. Okay, and it will work on the close-up ship as well. So that's a quick way, but again, the proper way is to do it in the render. So that's adding the ships, and the only thing that I don't personally like is the integration. And what this render by default, it gives us an occlusion pass. If we look at it, we have some nice occlusion on the ocean, and I think it doesn't compute that on reflection or reflective surfaces by itself, I guess. So I'm going to use this to tweak the image or gain it down, and I'm going to isolate everything except the ocean using the same mask. So let's put down an in merge node. I need to make this in node. I'm going to shuffle the green again to get the mask. So this is the ocean in, and now we have only this. And I'm gonna merge it over a constant that is set to white. So let's merge this with this. And now we have this, we have both of them mixed. And I was hoping that Okay, so I'm gonna shuffle copy the alpha channel from the left input. So from to, that's our alpha channel. Then if we put a merge like this, we should get this. And I'm gonna put down a road node and just to get that edge fixed. Now it's popping up even more. Okay, so we have a nice mask, and I can use this now. Put down a grade node. And it's connected here. Looks like I have some occlusion, so where is this coming from? I guess it's from the reflection, maybe? I'm not so sure, but let's use this mask. Gonna gain it down. I'm gonna invert the input because it's black and white, and now we can add this nice darkening around the ships. And let's go here, and that's our ship integration. You can say with, without. It's just a nice blend in, that's all. And for the ships, I did some quick color correction. So I have these two. I'm gonna turn them off. I remember the light were super bright, so I simply tweaked them. This is the original render, this is after, this is the original pass, and this is after. And that's it. I'm gonna fix the colors here. I think it's too blue. So let's find where that's coming from. It's coming from this multiplier. And that's pretty much it for the comp. This is very close to the final one. And maybe I should increase the vignette a bit more. Something like that. And we can do so many variations now because of all the visual information that we have. So let's say this is what we liked, and then we can make different iterations off of it. I think this iteration, yeah, could be. So this is another quick version. Obviously we have to go back and tweak it to satisfy this tone and stuff like that, but I think it's a very nice way to get alternative looks quickly. So this almost feels like it's not an ocean anymore. That's another quick version. And let's do another one with a blue tone. Something like this. Yeah, I think it's cool as well. So let's check the first frame, which we haven't looked at. So this is the first frame. You see we're getting a lot of nice cusp that we can control if we wanted to. And as we start to pan out, we get this nice reflection. Now one thing I'm gonna show as a bonus is, let's say we wanted to add a nice glow or halo effect that is visible outside of where that triangle is. It's pretty much impossible for us to do that, because if we do any glow effect, it will be limited to that triangle. So let's say we do this glow, and let's get the pass, and let's do low on this. And let's increase the brightness. 50. Now in real life, let's merge this so we can see it better. And let's reformat it. It's just to illustrate. So in real life, if we have a super bright source, we will be seeing a nice halo here, and as we pan out, we're gonna see it more and more. It's not gonna be visible in the reflection like we're doing now, but it's gonna be visible throughout this throughout the animation. And then once we tilt more, it's gonna bloom for a few seconds or for 1 second, and then the exposure changes and it tunes or get adjusted based on that. So I'm going to show the fix for this and how we can do these halos and glow without having them to pop in strangely in screen. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in a bit.